Jessie Mendiola, ipinasilip ang bonggang second birthday celebration ni Baby Rosie. Pinahanga ni Jessie Mendiola, isang celebrity mom, ang mga netizens sa social media matapos silang masilip ang winter-themed birthday party ng kanyang anak. Para sa espesyal na okasyon, si Isabella Rose Manzano ay nagsuot ng napakagandang maputlang asul na damit na may toneladang snowflake embellishment mula kay Atelier Debbie. Sa mga larawan, nagsuot din si Jessie ng jumpsuit na may kaparehong color palette ng magandang damit ni Isabella Rose. Our little Isabella Rose Manzano had so much fun during her second birthday celebration a few weeks ago. Seeing that smile on her face is priceless. Thank you to everyone who joined us on her special day. We are so grateful to everyone who made this party possible. Caption ni Jessie. Megan Yang, may madamdaming birthday message para sa kanyang asawang si Micael Daes. Sa kanyang Instagram, nagbahagi ng ilang larawan si Megan Yang kasama ang kanyang asawang si Micael Daes. Happy birthday to my Fofu, my forever, my dada, and happy Jowaersari to us. 14 years na since you asked me to be your girlfriend. On your birthday, hahaha. And now we've almost been married for 5 years. Arpo, Rance, Tusoba, and Chia, and we're getting ready to be mom and dad to our baby boy. Thank you for always taking care of me, for your patience, and for always pushing me to do my best. I'll be here to do the same for you. Got you. I love you. Mensahe ni Megan Yang kay Micael. Tanya Bautista, may heartfelt message para sa kaarawan ng kanyang asawang si Vong Navarro. Sa kanyang social media, particular na sa Instagram, nagbahagi ng ilang larawan si Tanya Bautista. Nakalakip ito ang heartfelt message niya para sa asawang si Vong Navarro sa kaarawan nito. Happy birthday, my favorite human. Thank you for being the best partner in love, snacks, and Netflix debates. Here's to celebrating your awesomeness with patimple pa ang feeling. I love you. Saad ni Tanya.